Some test le and kazang anzo last video nala lobje quadratic equation go to re wa and quadratic equation nala anzo introduction de cha re ku ke tese de cha re anyam bola quadratic equation solve che kabla tablam je wa anzo tablam sum yure sticky share sum nan dangbo ding anzo cha re kharsa the factorization cha re adare anzo ke method ni wa den da quadratic equation solve che la tablam ni wa wa second method ti kala na kira anzo ke method ni wa de kala na completing the square. So completing the square the method new the method new dealing on to quadratic equations conditional wa ko solve it to race. What that method new completing the square no like nanga chimbuti. Ke chimbuti karshen gola na kiran zugi tindata tumba keba kuala yure. Kiran zugi identity chare. Wa identity karshan na binomial ki square chare. Wa dikalana a plus b whole square identity, that is a squared plus 2ab plus b squared chick yangna a minus b whole square, that is a squared minus 2ab plus b squared. The plus yung gorta yang mang chick minus you kal sangma minus kyawat chikidu tela plus b square wa. So identity dingi dinga chumpu chak wa identity dingi dinga anjoki quadratic equation ching anjoki kartadi completing the square ke method ni solve chi thugre. Ta example chinda pena suppose takira like quadratic equation de shiwachi x squared plus let's say 11x plus 10 equals to 0. Tangajo karsa identity a plus b whole square pe sham ba andina a square plus 2ab plus b square ba takira ki polynomials the expanded form so to achenda. Okay, tambuda kardo a square term chick square core. So ngaplo term chick square de yore tiko sure x square. So a square ke chapla ngamjo the equation of sule ore x square. So a square de we have x square plus 2ab wata tara shisung dunda. So we have 2ab 2 ta a che mar ta ngamjo equation de samdang orwa. So del a ke chap sule ngamjo a square sule x square le ba a square the x square into a sum by cap x by cap sa. So del a to su chagre x ta b ngor b ta del b to what the b de kerange kanis lengola na b de kerata numbers terms ling siro the term the sama kyuni the sama solve in last 11x level kor wa second term 11x level kor ta. So nge de kha chirna b de su lengra 11 by 2 lengra ta ta thegro wa khajine 2 to 2 cancel to wa cut down to 2 to 2 cut down to last 11 the x last wa 11x de second term tak da there. So b ut kiras du sus da merda. So b so value look du kala khare tona korna b keran khare ma khare shana last at the end kerala term new the exact level score ta 12 by 2 member shamba sha china rwa kera 11 by x legi mina b nor sareta. So b dame gabla tona de kare kore inji miji term new the exact level score wa so ni de kale so 11 by 2 layer. So to the 2 cut do 11 times x is 11x. So b di wache ta b su bang ngo shin wa ta a square yore 2ab less are plus the b squared wa b the b nganjo stay su le 11 by 2 le ba. So takara b square ko dwa so 11 by 2 square chigle ta de ki equation al sum sig okay nganjo ki given equation tonda singe juna given equation 11 by 12 yo maris wa ta nganjo 11 by 2 12 11 by 2 whole square le so wa the equation corner yo marwa ta in the metu nganjo equation go to the country da deho sigwa so ngajo thewas add chi 11 by 2 whole square thewas add chi the add chi the rangja pha the tus 11 by 2 whole square plus che and 11 by 2 whole square the ma the ta de chu mangole du kela khajin dom re ya khajin the kharachina na kisi 11 by 2 whole square dom are dinesh dom du sha shin ro ko the form le ore in equation giver to sar khajin 11 by 2 the whole square the equation mewa wa ta equation called original rangja de or so the extra terms wa the extra term ke te pha the wa the na equation rangja de pena ngi de la number chile de pena 4 number 4 rangja gor da ngajo daga de la plus 2 share wa ngajo go na 4 rangja gor ta plus 2 the wale na dagra ma the na ko 4 rangja de wa plus 2 the minus 2 cut 4 answer thik wa given number you are doma so oh din asi the equation you are mando che du langa jo ka jere 11 by 2 whole square share the equation you are do sare the equation you are mando che rangja khora pha the minus 11 by 2 whole square the Rikswa, the you are down with question for you are matan and a square plus 2ab plus b square dealing b square mumarwa. So b square the Nazuk share and Tara Martine, Tomato tank cumulations were Tombo Kimse the carre, the expanded form now search it. The tango Kimse the carre, equation you are mando equation original Ranja theatre. Rikswa, so Nazukajiso, the term b square is add b square is mate. That's all of the plus 10 higher, so plus 10, the plus 10 higher equals to 0 so the answer kajre the part the crowd method in the case so part did dela nona kra din ma changma no to wa dela manon din ma do na pele law yor wa so dela khaji so ngjo mi so the khaji do quadratic equation this ngjo ki the ngjo expanded form is sure so expanded form sure a square plus 2ab plus b square expanded form is sure ta ding ke shimba she ta for expanded ni yor a square minus 2ab shung ko minus 2ab the khaji ni mares wa a square plus 2ab plus b square zero yana a minus 2ab plus b square option ni wa dini option tangbot len so tangbot len kimje karsha second term ki tong sign the positive wa plus so plus into kala nganju ki plus je identity q kisi dela minus yo na minus je identity q wa so nganju ki gaji so quadratic the expanded form is and so kala q wa tang go chhes wa okay ta next step de dini chini wa term dini chini term di batula the term batla then is the terms dwa the term the kanjang aju complete the expanded form sir a square x square chare plus 2ab plus 2 a go x che b go 11 by 2 plus b square plus b go 11 by 2 whole square ta kisi a square plus 2ab plus b square you na question ki form are question sabla aju di chukro a plus b whole square chikbaro khuni chikbaro so expanded the on the short not this chukro wa so the name into gala nganjuk di thana the expanded to ko nganjuki a plus b whole square so chugurwa so the expanded thing nganjuki identification ni ka charo a plus b whole square del a go sure x so x plus b go sure 11 by 2 whole square so the kangja the term check ni sum the term sum the nganjuki ka jire a plus b whole square na la theory so nganju din la a su chagre x b su chagre 11 by 2 whole square the part the kangja dinar to ta hama sular minus 11 by 2 whole square higher ta whole square ta 11 square ta 11 sa ka jare 121 divided by 2 square ta 4 plus the 10 equals to 0 wa ta 11 ganne ga 11 the 11 cube gala okay 11 square ka jare 121 divided by 4 plus 10 equals to 0 ta the part is wa tangbo del nga constant ni wa they ding simplify che equations le la solve che la so we have x plus 11 by 2 whole squared okay del nga ta namgi nga ki del LCM chi wa there some shemba nga del 10 ki wala 1 year wa denominators nga cross multiply tang chura tang cross multiply tang da 11 da minus 121 kyuna minus 121 plus 4 tens are 40 divided by 4 ones are 4 1 the 11 1 da minus 121 q2 minus 121 4 the 10 q2 40 and denominator 4 ones are 4 equals to 0 okay next x plus 11 by 2 whole squared equals to okay equals to method I'm going to complete solving okay minus plus minus get this actually we have 81 so we are left with minus 81 divided by 4 equals to 0 ठीक है minus plus minus क्या इंस्ट्रक्शन निश्चित जो थे ना minus 81 अने x plus 11 by 2 whole squared equals that minus 181 by 4 the पाँच खींचो so we have positive 81 by 4 चे that next step thing ना तो लोग गए थे x को रा solve चे मी into x को रा that is square the पाता the square पाता ना तो क्या कर शे और ना square the mouse और the square the mouse वाला छो नीचे root क्यों छोड़वा so देला root क्यों जो का square root cancel जो रे देला root क्यों दे root हाथी so we have x plus 11 by 2 equals to plus and minus root 81 by 4 ते काजा के share वा plus and minus क्या कुछ किम्जे दिखा रहे बे ये share next so x plus 11 by 2 equals to plus and minus root 81 suk square 81 9 square 9 and 81 so root 81 becomes 9 and root 4 2 2s are 4 so root 4 becomes 2 next the x equals to plus 11 by 2 the package so we have plus and minus 9 by 2 minus 11 by 2 so x equals to plus and minus 9 minus 11 divided by 2 denominator equal to common nature so x equals to x so plus and minus 9 minus 11 divided by 2 diles that dinema ngajola quadratic equations into quadratic solve quadratic ina zeros ni so x value ni x ni so x equals to data 9 ke dollar sign ni plus minus so plus 9 ke minus 9 ke so the plus and minus ni solution ni tangbo plus 9 le so plus 9 tang minus plus 9 minus 11 divided by 2 that is solved. X equals 11 minus 9 to the minus 2 divided by 2 x 2 to 2 1 minus 1 x value minus 1 let katulena kisi 90 positive 9 kindona ta x value ni what katulera kisi 90 negative 9 kindona so negative 9 minus 11 divided by 2 x equals to minus plus minus 20 divided by 2 and x cancel down minus 10 so took quadratic equation method solve completing the square method dinema dodan lela urchar case deep part most important part deep part in case give me the quadratic polynomials here a plus b whole square expanded a minus b whole square expanded only expanded form so expanded form expanded form a square plus a square plus 2ab plus b square so what in a plus b whole square positive a minus b whole square depends this sign depends they minus form identity a minus b whole square identity that is a square minus 2ab plus b square this was so quadratic polynomials quadratic equations completing the square method is solved one equations quadratic equation power highest power 2 equal to 0 in each that means quadratic equations so one quadratic equation so one equation 상마 solve check 말다 quadratic equation 리카시 solve check 리카시 solve check 말해 다 계란 쪽에 탭탭 되나 딱 x square plus 11x plus 10 도 같이 어떻게 하면 이게 9 소샤 올라나 그 소초를 얘네 9 수니 그 solve check 유 매라 돼 이게 니 was 리그다 so quadratic equation 간데 막간데 수는스요 solve check 도 맨도 라이죠 디 check 제시도 계란 길 topic 로가야 다 능이 상식 돼 라셔 그때고 작사래 다 계란 쪽에 내가 그 소소 one quadratic equation 안에 어디 equation solve 지 다 소소 원에 소소 원에 계시 quadratic equation 쓰게나 내가 계시 뭐지 계란 가르코는 discriminant 도나 샤워 discriminant 디케라서 조단의 신에서나 아니 quadratic equation 쓰기도 solve 지 두개 예를 돼 solve 지 하도 해야 돼 뒤에 వచ్చి 또 discriminant 라이디에 topic 젤레 용거를 와 다 능이 상식 라셔 so quadratic equation condition the pairing for ngi thate sorda let's say 2x square minus 3x plus 4 equals 0 thate sorda that quadratic equals thate so you the solve check you make it legal solve cha measure can solve not lega theor so that is solve cha maja la the kina gi kawan ha kon din ha kur dilang discriminant che topic legal the ka detail do and nega the quadratic equation solve cha maja dige shigda so d the kharche b square minus 4ac b square minus 4ac discriminant formula gather d ni kana quadratic equation solve check to me touch it ta pena ngi equation type the sir 2x square minus 3x plus 4 equals 0 sir okay ta d sir b the a the sin washing a lan sir a la di term tangbo coefficient de x square coefficient b la x coefficient c la constant so the b square so sir b la de minus 3 so minus 3 the square minus 4 a sure 2 c the sure 4 redwa ta konso solve it minus 3 square dana 9 and minus 4 2 is 8 8 4 is 32 ठीक है so kanda manda kira ge dela khar tona lerna ta solve che This solve last at the end kirang khali rwa minus 13 cherwa. Ta kanda mada kirang d solve che kala d ki value the negative less or minus less or d ki value minus lena quadratic equations kirang solve chi thu mare. Rwa ta tanda kirang di ngi do di thep sun kirang solve chi na ko answer raw mare x value yo mare. Rwa ta kirang jo quadratic so kal this almost tang gorta. Ta di chungna kirang mentally solve che ta ta pena b square minus 4 is lela or b b le dusure minus c square ta 9 lesa. And 4ac 4 kilo yoche nyabo sude 4ac 4a sude 2c de sude 4 ta ta ji hago jaso kundu sumga gyunna 9 le challenge sharwa kundu sum ki 9 challenge answer the negative do confirm chaswa so to confirm into kala ko solve chi thu mar wa so kira jo equation so kabla tona de d tona sha ani equation so wa kisi d de negative le so na ko solve chi thu mar ta tinde equation kara nord ta so the equation ma me so wa d 0 lena digore d positive lena digore tinde equation risk kera suyo na ko ngajo tende solve chi digore ta kera jo lega thara ni equation su khang mama su wa equation d sama negative mengyo chi wa positive ngi d kyang kyang wa di khokje kyang na digore yan kera sula so lega sula sub draft na chi na digore wa so d positive yo tinde equation rig mambo su and the equation sama tanda method tinge kang discuss is wa karsa completing the square method or then can solve chita and equation dig do the jimi nang equation law use dig method so one se da ta jo quadratic equations ki method thama dire wa ti karana nganju ki quadratic formula la method dire wa so the kang nganju ki method ni cha cha re wa factorization and completing the square ta quadratic formula di method thama che wa ta quadratic equation di ke jombo cha da can solve chita de sing na kulop de symbol la de wa cha do wa Kiran to lobsen chele yongore wa coordinate geometry lobsen din na question regression na quadratic equation le ko solve chebe ka te du gala kiran to quadratic equation solve che idea to tela pe yongor wa ta tan thama de quadratic formula okay that quadratic formula la show there the formula ta de examples take the pen for example we have y squared plus 2y plus 1 equals 0 so the variable ta x chep ko marwa ko variable kar pe jirwa so I've taken y ni y layer ta Tadi quadratic equations kera dinangi dingi ke share so quadratic equation so ka plus so one so you na d di sum ta asa sa tatel d kera sum na dela d dikhale karsa b form kare b square minus 4ac so b square chena 4 len or 2 square 4 wa minus 4ac 4a there 1 c there 1 this sum chuna 0 le solve chena 0 le wa so kadam negative le ma so negative me na ko solve chi gor 0 le suna keji chi kar 0 le na da 0 le no solve chegre ina keji te karna 0 lena answer ni ja chikpa chigen ni ta dangi de solve chirwa value chikpa le wa okay ta ding anjuk method khawan solve jere quadratic formula ni solve jere ta quadratic formula solve chiu kala ke chembo dingi d to discriminant khode la bejir shab cholte la bejir okay ta quadratic formula karna ta dangi anjuk variable kare y wa so variable y is equals to minus b plus and minus root d divided by 2a the formula lo work kera minus b plus and minus root d divided by 2a d na hagurwa ding la so d la na sula orsa d la the discriminant which is b square minus 4ac so d dir one ta kera quadratic formula dire ta formula d pichu chebe ka tangbo de kera kar che d che d di che and a the b the value quadratic now yorwa kra phal ne wa atama d che da so the formula d or d raj so d formula got b square minus 4 tang ding khoti jen d 0 ba adeta d equals to b square b the sure del 2 wa 2 square minus 4 a the sure a the 1 wa 1 c the sure 1 so d equals 2 square cheviki 4 and 4 the 1 kyuna 4 anja le wa so d last thama ka d the 0 le so d ki value 0 char wa ta the formula value lu da y equals to minus b sure b the 2 wa 2 d minus d formula ke minus da minus b del 2 was 2 plus and minus root d ga 0 divided by 2a the ga 1 so y becomes minus 2 the plus and minus root 0 lana ko value ga 0 anja root 0 is 0 divided by 2 ones are 2 so y becomes minus 2 the plus and minus 0 lana 0 tom na re 0 the na re given number la kheba su marwa so the margin to so plus minus 0 the margin to because given number the minus 1 de de so minus 2 divided by 2 so y equals to 2 1 2 2 1 to cancel ni negative 1 char Ta samsi okay ngazu quadratic equation solve chi kaduna value ni le ores ta thela solve chi kala plus minus lo yawan chi masu ka 0 na to na yo mal 0 le plus ma chi kheba su mani wal value chi mas le masu wa so quadratic de value ni yor ta ni che sur ni che minus 1 ni la odela y ki value ni nam gi alpha de ni yongol wa ni che khare minus 1 ba khap sa de la ko to so ta ri gashin hala plus minus 0 member che de la 2 3 left so na te plus le minus le dingi solve chi so odi chi ko solve che so di lamga de ngazu khare quadratic formula ke through ngazu ki equation solve che tang ang yang ge gun equation ba solve che da method rangja di go ngazu quadratic formula solve che da okay let's say we have equation that is positive root t positive lineation da let's say we have 3x squared plus 4x minus 1 equals to 0 so the positive confirm 4 squared is 16 and 4ac large machi 4acd and those negative plus d so kind there d the positive okay that is solve the same idea rangja quadratic formula okay the variable x with so x equals to minus b plus and minus root d divided by 2a. Okay, so this formula d so d is equals to b squared minus 4ac. So d equals to b is 4 so 4 squared minus 4 a the 3 c the minus 1. So d equals 4 squared 16. That is equal minus plus and 4 3 is 12. So d 16 plus 12 is 28. So d is 28. That d positive layer. The positive layer cos root ni che that d ni de log layer da. Okay. That solves in x equals to minus b so b the 4 so minus 4 plus and minus root d the 28 divided by 2a a the 3. So x equals to minus 4 plus and minus root 28 divided by 2 3 is 6. Okay, next. That is root 28 later. Root 28 thing is irrational number chart. Ko exact value yung mar because 28 like the perfect square marwa. Perfect square how go pena number chik pani q ni values li the perfect square. Pena 1 perfect square because 1 1 1. Ani perfect square 4 the perfect square because 2 is 4. 9 perfect square and those 9 16 those 25 that kind 28 the perfect square marwa so perfect square mena ko root the exact value chi dengo ma wa ko irrational number charge irrational number jina nga zo ha ko ro jina ko cha ro irrational number ina ko exact value yo mare suga chi che to yo mare ro ko khare non terminating non repeating to ko value exact ra mare so root 28 nga zo exact solve chi to ko mare dinge la nga zo root 81 layer 81 ko 9 perfect square cha ro that root 28 nga zo exact solve chi to ko mare hine ya tablam chi gare root nga jo simple switch yo wa simple switch yo ta root simple switch tablam dikhale na ta jina chunji ni chang nga jo 28 ke prime factor che ta prime factor 2 1s are 2 2 4s are 8 2 7s are 14 7 1s are 7 so root 28 la chi ma shi ya ko khare 2 square into 7 this how wa so de la square root ka door wa so square root ka to 2 has 2 the 2 gang root di me cha and 7 ka root de dirwa so root 7 so root 28 thota quick simple version khale 2 root 7 it tunda chi ne value ni kala exact nga che tu ma da wa ta kada chidang version loga the so ni ka che root 28 dwa root 28 exact solve tu ma re sine root 28 nga jo ka simple chi sir ka so 2 root 7 sir so dan chen so wa di raf na chi di song raf chi da so okay the root 28 thing also give prime factor say quick prime factor to arrange and square card do as a card ta last time root 28 ka simple formula 2 root 7 chart so we get x is equals to minus 4 plus and minus 2 root 7 divided by 6 lar root 28 ko simple sir wa ta dine ma kirange ta dilha ka jo ke shemen do ta dine ma kirang kha chen na ta x value ni go den ma the ta dang bo din da delta plus the minus ni ro sin ni ta tang plus le x che ni oda minus le x che ro tang plus le da so x equals to minus 4 plus 2 root 7 divided by 6 tiller wa di ma solve che ta tilla kera solve mix e shu che me ka jina minus 4 ta root 7 2 root 7 nga jo khoni ba operation karina chi thu mare chik radical de chik root gyo re chik root me gyo re root make you tom to my ten to kikuchi to my ra. Curate your tom to my yomari. So the native Talanja Shashel. In Talom Chicker, the career common factor to Nerwa. -4 the 2 pala 2 common year, Kronigan 2d ma common factor to so color de la -2 plus root 7 divided by 6. The common factor to the Michikas did 2 the now answer Kuta, counted as chipping level. The Letanani to common factor to the 2 common factor turns wa 2 common factor turn cumze the current 2 the 6 cut down churwa or the common factor turn 2 1 2 2 3 6. So x is equals to chilo 2 cut chinwa so -2 plus root 7 divided by 3. That is long simple so 2 mare. So x will thama di chadu. That the new chikaja gasha mang di chide. Penas divided by 6 layer. 6 the 4 katang 2 2 the 4 2 3 6. The 2 katang midu. The norgo orta. Kirazukaji can't term near wa 6 kizika tangosana can nija tang to a quarter. So the net because the numerical language term need 2 mark common and 2 the 6 cartang surwa. So 2 the 6 cartang last hamadilar. So x value simple such as the last hamad -2 plus root 7 divided by 3. So the quadratic equation digi value chick x value chick diko -2 plus root 7 by 3 char. Plus lemba minus lenchik to x equals to -4 -2 root 7 divided by 6. Tinuma tokan chik bujing arwa 2 common factor to ingurwa 2 common factor to -2 minus root 7 divided by 6 to the 6 cut to the kabla x equals to -2 minus root 7 divided by 3. Cut to later the last at the end ngazola x value ni ko khuni char. So quadratic equation d quadratic equation digi and solve it equal x value ni right ni dikhare check -2 plus root 7 by 3 check -2 minus root 7 divided by 3. So the value ni di quadratic digi zeros ni ko chadu ta kya so lega dikhar chera na method sum la so ta kya so one equation se right equation conditions variable x position chi y position chi ro khare position chi nenga chirta chigla y sha chigla x dine meta variable chigba position variable chig position ni space yong marta yana x ni je x y ni je y z ni je z ro so one quadratic equation se ani so chabe chela quadratic equation tagara kira ju ki method sum yorwa factorization completing the square and last quadratic formula this sum cha kira solve chi 와, 다 렌디 숨잘 찍고 랑가 로가로 라이 안서 찍고 지냐 와. 다 그래서 오늘 이퀘션스 아니 메థ드 숨자 이퀘션 다가라는 포지션이 솔브지다. 아니 어떻게 시켜서 프랙티스지. 아니 베지 그래서 quadratic equation 컨디션이 프랙티스 망치나 콜레로 차도 와. 아니 솔브 시투레 삼고도. 안 다가라니 안 참고 투지나.